So, why CASB? To get the answer of this question, first of all, we have to understand the changes happened in last few years. Mobile and cloud technology has changed the way traditional IT used to work so far. To understand how cloud application has changed the way enterprise works, let's go back and see how IT was working before the cloud. Traditionally, enterprise applications are hosted inside organization data center and IT has full control on it. Only IT sanctioned applications are allowed to be hosted and only managed devices and systems are allowed to access these applications. Layered security architecture were placed in data center to protect these applications from threats and vulnerabilities. And most important, enterprise IT administrator knows their organization security boundary. This helps them to protect the application inside their security boundary and they can place required policy to control or block the access when needed. Cloud changed this completely. Now cloud-based applications are everywhere and suddenly organization security boundary disappeared. Now user can choose cloud-based application from thousands of apps and service ready for sign-in. They can access these applications from anywhere and most of the time enterprise IT would not even know who is using which application. Most important enterprise data is moved to cloud application and enterprise IT cannot control these consumer cloud application because user is administrator of his own account. Cloud applications are in use everywhere, including within the enterprise. When a user has access to so many applications that make their life easier as a public consumer, they come to expect the same level of service within their workplace as well. When the IT department cannot deliver the same level of service, the user finds another way. This is where problem begins. Shadow IT can be a real problem for company. Suddenly your users have access to cloud storage that simply look like another folder on their desktop. A user want to work on a document at home. Now it is easier for them to stick it in Dropbox. Now there is your information sitting out there on public internet cloud service. You are now at the mercy of Dropbox isolation and security choices. Dropbox is just an example. My intention is not to point Dropbox. There are hundreds of cloud storage applications for consumers to quickly connect and start saving files. There are also thousands of other cloud applications and services in different categories, all ready and waiting for your users to sign up. But remember, the data stored on these applications is yours, and God knows how critical the data is for you. Remember that the user is the administrator of their own cloud application instance. Now it is up to him how he is handling and securing your company data. They can share your data with world in just one click, sometime by mistake or with bad intention.